Good credit means more than just being able to get a loan or a credit card. It is an important part of your overall financial health and can have a lasting impact on your life. Here are some of the benefits of having good credit. 1. Lower interest rates. One of the most important benefits of having good credit is that it can help you get lower interest rates on loans and credit cards. This can help you save money in the long run by reducing the amount of money you have to pay in interest. 2. Easier approval for loans. With good credit, you are more likely to get approved for loans or other types of financing. This can make it easier to get the money you need for a home, car, or other major purchase. 3. More job opportunities. Many employers look at your credit history before making a job offer. If you have good credit, you may have a better chance of being hired. 4. Better insurance rates. Many insurance companies use your credit score to determine your premium. People with good credit typically get lower rates, which can save you money on insurance. 5. Easier approval for rentals. If you're looking to rent an apartment or house, your credit can be an important factor in the landlord's decision. People with good credit may have an easier time getting approved. Having good credit is an important part of managing your finances. It can help you save money, get better job opportunities, and get approved for loans and rentals. Taking steps to improve your credit score can pay off in the long run. To improve your credit, visit www.bigmoneycredit.com. Like, subscribe and hit that bell for more videos to come.